Here is a brand new website that I'm going to share with you now. As you can see here, there are various ways you can make money online with this platform. This method is all about browsing websites and watching videos and ads, just like leaving likes and sharing videos to get paid for engaging social media activity. For example, you can just watch this video for a couple of seconds to get paid. On top of that, there are bonus amounts if you like the video or leave a comment or even subscribe to the channel. For this method, you can fill out simple surveys which are really easy to accomplish and are suited for beginners. Another method that is actually giving is signing up for a free account to obtain money. Stay with me because I will be revealing the platform in just a moment. And I would also be giving a bonus tip in order for us to maximize our earning potential on this website. But again, to reiterate, you can make money from this platform by using your preferred device. You can do it on your personal computer or your smartphone. You have to select a method of earning. You can select from the presented methods that I showed you earlier. Another method is you can start working on a task that was given to you and you can begin making money instantly. Then the third method is obtaining money in order to cash out. So if you want to register and make money, click on this button. When you click on the button, it will direct you to this page where you will input your email address and password. When you're done with account creation, the next step is to verify your email address. You'll receive an email from the website which will give you a link to verify your account. I hope you find this video engaging and valuable. If yes, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Next step. Go back to the dashboard and click on this button right here. It will then take you to a page where you'll choose what kind of method you want to make money with. Now this is what happens when you click on each method. Let's start with this one, browsing videos and ads. Click on this button to go to this page where you can start browsing videos and ads to start making money. On this page, you'll see all the videos that you can watch in order to make money. Now try clicking on this button right here and a window is going to pop up. Now all you have to do is browse this page until the timer expires. You can just go around the page, scroll up and down, move around the page, and basically just do anything that would prove that you are a human and not a bot. You can just click the Earn button right here and you'll be redirected to surveys shown from these platforms. You can earn up to these amounts when you are done. Another brand new website is called zareclaimi.com. You can download it right away on your mobile phone. This website operates on a referral system while you earn a percentage of the commission.